this is my outfit for today. And guys, my dress for today for only 300 pesos. I'm so happy of this, guys. And today I'm going to, I'm going to, guys, to Rampa. Ayun, mag-iikot-ikot na naman ako sa mall, guys. And mainit ang panahon, guys. So, ayan, this one, I use this my sunglass, guys. I buy this for only 50 pesos. OMG, I really love it. And look, guys. Ayan, I'm so beautiful. Ang ganda niya, guys, for only 50 pesos. I really love it. Pack na pack siya, guys. So, ayan, one of my favorite color, guys. It's a color green. So, I'm ready na, guys. I'm ready na sa aking hagrawa. O, diba? Pack na pack siya, guys. And, ayan, I have a here, guys. I have a new eyeshadow, guys. Meron akong new eyeshadow na binili. So, buksan na natin. Buksan na natin, guys. I wanna try to, I wanna try to use this, guys. Charan! Look, guys. Parang ang ganda niya. I really love the color. Ayan, guys. Oh. This one, I buy this for only 250 pesos. Kasi nag-sale na siya, guys. Ayan, Ayan, 25%. Ayan, 25% guys. Nag-sale na siya. Kaya, 250 na lang. So, ayan guys. Ang hirap naman pala buksan. Ayan, ayan. Ito kasi yung aking, guys. Ayan. Charad! Diba? Ang ganda niya, guys. I really love the color. So, let's try. Ayan, ito kasi yung aking, guys, before. Ayan, ito yung aking lumang eyeshadow. Charan! O, diba? Ang dami niya pa, guys. So, ayan. I buy a new one. Ayan. Ito yung aking nilalagay lang sa bag, guys. Gagamitin ko siya pag nasa labas lang ako. Ayan. Nasa labas lang ako, guys. And this one, for pambahay lang to, guys. Yung aking eyeshadow na Ayan. Dami pa kasi. So, I wanna try this. Ayan. Na-try natin yung, guys, light color. Light color, guys. So, this one. Ayan. I don't have an... Charan! It's a brown color. Ayan, I wanna try this. Ayan. I really love it. Simple. A little amount lang, guys. A little amount of eyeshadow. Ayan. Ayan, so this is it, guys. Look at my eyeshadow. I really love it. Oh, diba? Pack ni pack siya, guys. I feel so beautiful today. Oh, my outfit. Ayan, I'm ready to go na, guys. So, happy Sunday, everyone. Enjoy your day. Ayan, I hope you enjoy my videos, guys. Ayan, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, guys. And if you like my videos, you can also send me a separate thanks gift. You can also avail a membership on my channel, guys. Ayan, diba pack na pack yung aking guys, yung aking outfit for today. So, that's it, guys. And then, ayan, guys, look, ayan. Ganda na aking eyeshadow. And then, ito yung aking perfume na ginagamit. Ayan, pack na pack, ayan. I'm so, guys. Ayan, parang ang bango ko na. I'm so beautiful and fresh. Ayan. So, bye everyone. That's it for today. Ayan, watch my videos, guys. Bye!